Hi, I'm Joel Zeizet with Eby Exteriors. We're here at this beautiful project in Chester Springs. We're here doing a stucco remediation project and replacing almost all of the windows and doors. The homeowner found some concerning readings with moisture content underneath the stucco, and so he called us to remove the stucco and to make the necessary repairs. And we'll take a look at that as we walk around the house. So here we are in the back of the property, and you can see we've torn quite a bit of the stucco off here. This is one of the main concerns with stucco, is that moisture gets underneath there. You can see on this corner here where there's quite a bit of rot going on. We've even uncovered some mold, and so we need to remedy that as well. But this is a concern, and this is why the homeowner brought this project to us. We're going to be putting a moisture barrier on here and flashing everything properly so this doesn't happen in the future. I have one other spot I do want to show you as well, so you'll have to follow me there. I wanted to bring you out front here and show you some of the worst damage that we've uncovered. You can see over here how this rot has even gone into the studs. So that's a place that we're going to have to do some structural repairs to. I want to bring you over here and show you this corner yet as well. It's kind of a sad situation because this was attempted to have been fixed. And you can see some of that here where somebody tried to fix it, but they didn't solve the problem above us. And so you can see where some of these studs are completely rotted out. And they tried to fix it, but they never really solved the problem. We're looking forward to solving the problem and making a beautiful end product for the homeowner.